Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'll talk about others. Market capitalization. All tokens exclude the BTC, this one, and top 10 tokens. So let's dive in. So this is a chart what we track basically since around here, I guess. I posted the first video. So I use this FIB. This was a top. This was a top again. So we sweep the high, 27 block, rejection at 78, collapse it down. We didn't hit the top again, new all-time high. Now we hold the line at 23 level by FIB. So 214 billion. So it's others, not a dominance, it's others capitalization. And my take was at the end of cycle, I guess, the capitalization of all others altcoins exclude the top 10 tokens can be around 598 billion or 878 billion. I don't think so we're gonna hit the 1 trillion capitalization, no. But we got a news now. The United States hit the Iran, and it can be the good news for any markets. So now, like you can see, we hold the line, pretty good one. So we test it till penny, 211 billion. If we not hold the line here, the reward will be open again to zero level, 145 billion, sweep this liquidity pool, this liquidity pool. Technically, now we're in the upside move, right? But I don't like the news. So let's be real. I don't like this compression and this liquidity pool, this liquidity pool. The most positive case scenario, if something good happen in the macro, in a geopolitics, because now we can see, everybody talk about decentralization, right? In altcoins, but the market totally controlled it by big guys, and if big guys, decide to just withdraw, not just sell, just withdraw the liquidity from the market and out, not from BTC into altcoins, what everybody waiting for, because the people waiting the altcoin season. But what if they can just withdraw liquidity from the BTC and hold it in the stable coins? In this case, the alts will bloody more, and it's kind of bad case scenarios. We can find a lot of patterns here. We can draw the cup and handle, something like this one. Guys, it absolutely doesn't work. It absolutely doesn't work. Why? Because now we can see the market totally controlled by elites and the guys who bring the liquidity and put it back. That's why, guys, now all eyes. Yes, we can't predict, how low or how high we can pump, because all eyes now on the geopolitics in the world. We can track all of these price actions, and try to understand what the next step. The next step is all eyes on the what will happen on the east. That's why, guys. Conclusion, my take for this 1.61 level FIB relevant. What's the problem? The problem with the timing. I can't know the timing, when it will happen. We need some negotiation of the situation between the United States and Iran, not escalation. And we need to see some positive news in the market, even the fake euphoria, right? Fake hope. And of course, we will see, I guess, when one day everything will be okay with the macro. Finally, one day I hope the humanity waking up and read the just normal news without any wars, without anything. We will see something like this one. So it can be 1, 2, 3 rise pattern at the top. It's going to be the third one, and it's new bear market. Based on what we'll see the bear market, I can't even imagine, because now looks like all wars situation, all wars things just happened in the last 3 years or even the last 5 years. The pandemic, the biggest wars in Europe, Ukraine, in Russia, now the United States and Iran. I can't even imagine what should happen next. So the markets will crash it on some bad news. If now it's not a bad news, I don't know. I don't know what should be the trigger for the end of cycle. But basically the cycles end with good news, with some positive, with some crazy euphoria. That's why it's so crucial to hold the line here. So 211 billion, 145 billion, it's zero level, 27 block, still relevant. What indicator shows now on weekly time frame? This was the biggest accumulation. Now it's once again accumulation. I hope we will not see that warranty. So everything okay now. So this accumulation, though, this is not a distribution. It was a time to out of altcoins, but I can't even imagine what altcoins we should out in December 2024 if almost all of them still dying, even in December 2024. Maybe the mantra, maybe some Sol, Ethereum, yes, perform good one, but all others, guys, going down. Yes, I totally understand now the time period in the market, total depression. So yes, it's hard to check all of these charts, and understand. Personally, for me, I'm not worried about the money. I'm not worried about some investment. I can wait even for the 3 years or so. But it's so annoying. You just waste the time. You check every single day all of this news and understand you can do nothing with that, because you analyze the charts, you mark the zone of interest, everything so good. But after that, just some news appeared on the market from nowhere, some geopolitics, and you finally understand how this decentralization is total utopia. You just understand how everything control it, and in the right time, in the right moment, everything happened. And guys, they not start the war between the United States and Iran here when the BTC traded at 16K. You understand the logic when you connect the dots. So we need some fear, we need some bad news, and some people take a profit. But at the same time, when everything will be okay, they will bring some good news. The same story was with EDF. And when everybody will be so relaxed, like, wow, everything gone, all bad news gone. Now all in BTC, because BTC will be 250, 300K, 500K, 500,000, 1 million per BTC. It's just the beginning. It's just nonsense news. But we will see that news. And for me, it's kind of weird how we just waste the time, not the money. Of course, the altcoin sector, it's a risky sector, but we waste a lot of money. Imagine we wasted a lot of money and the time. Yes, with research, we analyze all of this fundamental projects and research about a layer 1, layer 2, DeFi, social fi. It's absolutely nonsense, because absolutely no matter what that project trying to show us, if the charts never lie, and the charts affected by news. So in this case, I ask myself, what's the point to spend the time and analyze the fundamental if any tweet, any post from Elon Musk, Donald Trump can affect all market down, no matter what's fundamental behind? That's why now the sentiment, 100%, it's a disbelief. It's capitulation, disbelief. This was a time to out. Now, no new time to in. Time to in was here, unfortunately, guys. Yes, it's so bad we wasted the time. So this is what I doubt. Yes, this is what I don't like. Money power. Money in, bounce. Money in, and yes, we bounce a pretty good one. Money out. No money in. It's bad. It's bad. Trade on, buy, take profit, sell, buy back. No new signal to buy, nothing. Daily, yes, it was a buy, sell, buy back. So let's add alert to the others buy signal. Maybe we will see some, at least on a daily time frame. But guys, it's so annoying. It's so annoying. So they sell us the dream, you know. So do your own research, analyze the project, invest in the strong project. But guys, what's the point to invest in strong projects if none of them are strong enough to hold the line? If any second somebody can drop the bomb to another country and all market will crash. Buy line, let's add alert to the buy line also. Buy line on the weekly time frame is 162 billion. So yes, guys, it's kind of weird, but it can happen. Like 24% drop down again, and we can do nothing with that. So buy line on particular 2 penny, we tested 23 over few. So it's so important to hold the line here. If not, yes, 24% down, it's more than real to see. Even worse, 160 billion, zero level, fundamental value, it's 118, 12 time frame, 170 billion. What is good and what is bad, guys? I recommend you, you know, this is really, really hard mode cycle, definitely. I highly recommend you find some hobby, you know, just enjoy your life outside of the market. Don't waste your stable coins trying now to catch exact bottom. Like, oh yes, this is the last drop. This is the last drop. No, guys, just if you're ready, accumulated some tokens. Just close the charts. Just forget about that token. Just add alerts and do nothing. Just don't waste your extra money. Don't waste your extra time for nothing. So this is my also decision. I don't want to check some random useless tokens analysis, you know, for investments, because in any moment, any second, we can see another bumps. And the buy line on monthly time frame, it's 91 billion. Is it possible? Yes. I can't even imagine, guys, how many people will lost the hope and lose a lot of money if we will drop to this area on others. That's why, guys, but we can't do nothing with that. We can't do nothing. That's why I recommend you, don't spend and don't waste your stable coins, what we got now. Better focus maybe on intraday. I guess you will get a more profit with intraday trades, even with the second leverage, with the third leverage, then you're just trying to catch the knives on a spot. So yes, this is a time in the market when even the spot is not a safe haven. So guys, I hope you like this video. My take for the all-time high on others relevant. It's just a matter of time when, but it can take few months, maybe year, maybe years. And yes, unfortunately. If you want to trade with my customer success, what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.